I'm Uday Pereira. I'm working as a licensed aircraft engineer at Sri Lankan Airlines. I've been working here for 12 years. The basic function of an AME is to ensure the aircraft is safe for flight and it's reliable to its passengers as well.
I'm gonna type some code, only got 20 hours this semester. Calculating, see me innovating, this is engineering.
Nah, walk into the room like, what up? I got a big test. I'm just the baddest engineer in the Midwest. TI-89, now don't be a hater. Nope. My teacher's like,
Damn, that's a calculator.
Being a commercial airline, the first most important thing is the flight safety. And the second thing is keeping up with the airline schedule. In these maintenance areas, we do day-to-day troubleshooting, servicing, modifications and various component changes to ensure the aircraft is flight ready at every given moment.
what?
If you are also interested in joining this exciting career, you need to follow a basic course in aircraft maintenance. Then with your experience, you need to do further exams and then become a licensed aircraft engineer. Whole this process is governed by the Civil Aviation Authority of Sri Lanka. In every country, the governing body of the aviation is the National Aviation Authority.
I'm gonna type some code, only got 20 hours this semester.
If you want to be a part of this dynamic, challenging career, the main important things that you need to have is you need to have a good teamwork, good communication skills, and you need to have an interest on these new technological changes that takes place every day.
Staying up, who needs sleep? I got plenty of caffeine, working on math, maybe later some programming. Maybe I'll just go get an IU degree. Nah, I'm a Boilermaker, shouldn't make it easy. Stress.
In this high-tech environment, every day is different and it's challenging. And if you are ready to join this industry, all are welcome.